Good afternoon. Today, sit down. Today's topic is the lesson Painted House, Friendly Chicken and Me. Painted House, Friendly Chicken and Me. Now, let me ask you to read the lesson silently. Come on, read it silently. Find out the difficult words in the lesson. Difficult words, please ask difficult words. If you find, you go there and note down. Hope. Hope. What is the meaning of hope? I hope I will pass in the exam. Hope means?
I will pass in the
Exam. That means that despair, opposite of despair. Okay. Yourself, any difficult word? Stranger means new. Stranger. Is there any word? Difficult word?
Snatch.
Snatch means release. Snatch means release. Okay? Edible. So this is a tribe name in South Africa. Edible means a tribe in South Africa. A tribe in South Africa. Okay? You are all clear about the difficult words. Now I am asking you some questions. Who is Thandi? Who is Thandi? Come on.
8 years old.
8 years girl. Which nation she belongs to? Which country?
South Africa.
South Africa. Very good. Okay. What is your nation?
India.
So you are
Indian.
Indian. Then what will be she? She belongs to South Africa. So what will be she? Yourself? You are Indian. She is in South Africa. So what we call her? South African. South African. Okay. What is the meaning of Thandi? Hope. Very good. Thandi means hope. What are there in her family? Who are there in her family? In Thandi's family, who are there? Who are there in Thandi's family?
Thandi's brother, aunts, mother.
Thandi's brother, mother and
Aunts.
okay. Who is Thandi's friend? Who is Thandi's friend? A chicken. A chicken. What type of house she has? You can find the answer in the heading. Which type of house? Painted house. Okay. Yourself? Do you like Thandi? Do you like her? Do you want to make friendship with her? Yes, very good. Come on, all of you. So, what is the help Thandi gets from her friend chicken? It listens to the stories. Plays with Thandi. Very good answer. Okay. Now, I will ask you to sit in groups and read the lesson once again. Sit in group and read the lesson once again with the help of your friends. Read the lesson. Okay. How does Thandi addresses you?
South Africa.
How does she address you? At the first of this lesson, we can find it. How does she addresses you? Thandi first addresses at the
I am a Thandi.
no. She addresses you.
India.
Hello,
Hello, stranger friend.
hello, stranger friend. Do you know Thandi? Do you know Thandi? Huh? Yes. At the beginning of the lesson, you know Thandi. Huh? You know Thandi.
Yes.
How?
Yes.
After reading the lesson, you can know about Thandi. Okay. What is how does African people call beautiful? Good. Very good. So, all of you, go to your seat. Go to your seat. I will, please listen the lesson. I will read the lesson model. I will give you a model reading. Observe me. Okay. Painted house, friendly chicken and me. Hello stranger friend. I am Thandi, an edible girl in South Africa. I am 8 years old and my best friend is a chicken. You may laugh at that, but when I tell my friends secrets, she can talk all she wants, but no one can understand her except another chicken, of course. My chicken listens to my stories. She has other uses too. If you play with her and take her mind off what's going on, you can very quickly snatch a feather or two when she is distracted. She doesn't notice, and the feathers will come in handy later, of course. I have two hopes. One is my name, Thandi, which means hope in my language. All children are a hope for their families, and many edible girls are named Hope. If you like, you can call yourself Hope too. In secret, of course, especially if you are a boy, of course. The other hope I have is that at the end of this book, I can say goodbye friend, not goodbye stranger friend. Let me tell you to read the lesson. Come on. Okay, yourself. Continue.
I am a Thandi, an edible girl in South Africa. I am 8 years old. My breast
Okay. You continue from there.
My best friend is a chicken. You may laugh at that, but when I tell my friend Sarkat, she can talk
Okay, you.
secret. I tell my friend secrets. She can talk all she wants, but one can understand her expression.
Yourself.
Another chicken calf goes. My chicken listens to my stories. She has other.
Okay. Yourself.
My chicken listens to my stories. She has other uses too. If you play with her and take her mind off what's going on, you can quickly
Okay.
see.
Go to the board and write down about what do you understand about Thandi as mind mapping. Come on. Thandi. Which points do you? Come on, write down quickly. Thandi. Come on, tell him. South Africa. She belongs to South Africa. Chicken. Write down. Here write down chicken. Chicken. What is the? Okay. Edible girl. Okay. Next. Hope. Hope. Tandi means hope. Okay. Then. Next. She has a house. Which type of house? Painted house. Okay. Next. What do you find? Huh? She has 2 hopes. Very good. 2 hopes. So, 8 years old. Write down. 8 years old.
Stranger friends.
She addresses us as stranger friends. Okay. So today it is enough for today. We will discuss the second part of the lesson tomorrow onwards. Thank you.